Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving into Old Harbour. So we're driving from Spanish Town to Old Harbour and we are by McCook's Pen, and this is where you will find the best Jamaica boilers. This is their head office over there, and this is the Old Harbour road that we're on, Old Harbour Main Road. So this is the main road that takes you to the south coast of Jamaica. So you drive out from Kingston, you pass through Spanish Town, then Old Harbour, then Maypen, then Mandeville, Santa Cruz, Savlamar, all along the main road. Now, recently they built the highways, but the highways are toll roads. So you could use the Highway 2000 east-west leg, and they have an exit to Old Harbour, Maypen. It's going as far as Mandeville now, but that's a toll road, so you'd have to pay to use that road. So this road is still very popular and it's still used a lot. As you can see, it's a very busy road. It would be nice if they were to upgrade it to 4 lanes, but I think eventually they'll do it, because look at where the light poles are. They're very far from the road. So there's a lot of space for expansion of the road. Especially look over here now. You see how far away the light poles are, how far away the concrete walls are. That's because when this road was originally designed, it was designed to be a 4 lane road. Now, when the highways were originally built, they had a clause in the agreement that says they were not to build any competing road or anything that would compete with the roads. But the Jamaican government now owns the highways, so I'm not sure if that clause would still take effect, meaning to upgrade this road might be considered a competing road to the highway. Because if you have a nice 4 lane highway or dual carriageway to drive on here, why would anybody use the toll road where you have to pay money? I'm not sure how that would work now that the ownership of the highway has changed. Trans Jamaica Highway is in charge of the highways, and they actually went public the other day, so they're traded on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. So straight ahead, behind the bush, that is Highway 2000 east-west leg, also known as the PJ Patterson Highway. So we just went through the town or the district of Gotos. Okay, we're now going through an area called Church Pen. So when you drive out to Spanish Town, you go through Homestead and Innswood. Sorry, Homestead, then Willowdene. These are little districts areas. And then after Willowdene is Innswood, then Macouppen, then Gutters, then Church Pen, and then you go into Old Harbour, which is a major town. It's on the list of the 10 largest towns in Jamaica. Alright, so we're now driving into Old Harbour. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.